Meeting Tabiri Puna Mapu Kurumjari, Danip Taram Lokchari. Sandokchari Batharam as the Impact TV Entertainment News Kagi Pauta Puzarakli Ba Mami Pauni. Nasi Mari Futaragatare Lak Suba episode Asida, Karikarama Pausing Puzarakli Bagi Habitu Tamchaki. Lysemba Entertainment ki banner Makhada Puthokpa, Apik Mahum, The Little Nest Tiny Mintonba, Manipuri feature film gi premiere show ut Kibig Mapao na Ahama Pao ni Tamjay. Naharal Khongtang Artists Association gi Hu Polang Amadi Iramdam Manipur Artists Association gi Che Thoi gi Yaifa Thoni Thoram Pangthok Kibig Mapao. Festival of Narrative Art Forms in Manipur Numit Mari ni Chupna Iboyai Shumangila Sanglenda Chatha Kibig Mapao. Khongjom Parvayi Matang Numit Tarani gi Oiba Workshop cum Production Pangthok Kibig Mapao. Repertory of Wari Liba Manipur na Sinduna Numit Mangani gi Oiba Wari Liba Festival Loshin Kibig Mapao. Aroiba Oina Breaking the Barrier Hyber Rock Concert The House Cafe Amadi Walk Me Napang Tokiba Kaloinana The Ace na Sinduna Fundraising Event Oina Concert Pang Tokiba Mapao Thamjay. So guys, ngasig ahama pao de puzarekli Lysemba Entertainment ke banner Makhada Dayashore Mayhobom Amadi Oinam Ranjit Anina direction piba Apik Mahum The Little Nest Haine Mithonba Manipuri feature film ge premiere show Haukiba July 17 da Palace Compound Laiba Manipur State Film Development Society MSFDS ki auditorium da Pangthok Kibig Mapao asi miyam punna mi inkamis.
Lysemba Entertainment ki banner Makhada Puthokpa Apikpa Mahum The Little Nest Haine Mingthonba Manipuri feature film ki premiere show Palace Compound Laiva Manipur State Film Development Society MSFDS ki auditorium da July 18 Nomaijing Numita Utkre Dayasor Mayhobam Amasung Oinam Ranjit Anina direction piba galoinana Oinam Ranjit Amasung Joy Mekola Anina Kudol Tamliba Apikpa Mahum haiba film asigi premiere show utpagi thauram aduda BJP Manipur State ki President Oibiribi A Sarda Devi na athoiba mitung oina saruk yakiba galoinana Manipur the film gilamda thabak tauriba singna lauriba thaudang singbu thagatpa phongdokhi loinana makhata na tongan ba issue kaya da best tauba film kaya puthoraknaba Apikpa Mahum The Little Nest Hairiba Manipuri feature film asida Suras nga sekpam Dayasor Idho Ratan Lai amasung Gapelina na chingba artist kaya na saruk yari
Longi matangda awawa kaya mayok na ba Hairiba film mama puthok na mo na ba theng na ba artist singi kudong cha da ba kunamak singa sige marak punsigi awaba nungaiba khudingmakki platform ama oirakanda awaba kauthokhanba nungaiba khudingmaksing asigi saruk yaba kanda siguma artist singna lawriba role asigi damakta aina agi sagi site gi amadi ai laiba Manipur gi people singi site gi phawriba nungaiba se ai ngasigi simung function asida oi thoi do na artist singa thalat phongdok chani ai koi Mapi Mapao oiba singna yenshin bibada yamna wadaba adu oiba taragasu tagai fadana aikoi samaja sida matam gi oiba tongan ba message kaya public ta pina na ba adu ba lady ba state asigi kachin koya yona hari ba message kaya yona bona bada adu ba artist singi achoba dai ta lei haiba se masisu ai mayam da Thamjani Apikpa Mahum Hariba Ekoigi Film Central Board of Film Certification Panglabadu Gumba Ekoigi Masigi Ekoigi Film Masi release Tokjare Haitana Mayam da Kutur Tokjare Haitana
Mayam pulling is very welcome to also. Kuratoki Masan Paduna. Lakadoli was a he, Lishing or Puma put you in Harbi.
Of course, you had him and play the crap. Talking, darling. Guiding Luna, ꯊꯣꯡ ꯍꯥꯝꯕꯗ ꯁꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯛꯅ ꯈꯦꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗ ꯆꯞ ꯌꯨꯡꯉꯤꯍꯦ ꯑꯩꯕꯣ
ꯑꯄꯤꯛꯄ ꯃꯍꯨꯝ ꯗ ꯂꯤꯇꯜ ꯅꯦꯁꯠ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯐꯤꯆꯔ ꯐꯤꯜꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯅꯕ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯄ ꯐꯤꯜꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯃꯃꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯎꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯤ ꯅꯍꯥꯔꯣꯜ ꯈꯣꯡꯊꯥꯡ ꯑꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁ ꯑꯦꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯂꯤꯂꯥ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨꯅ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯒꯗꯕ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯡ ꯀꯨꯝꯍꯩ ꯍꯨ ꯄꯣꯂꯥꯡ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯤꯡꯊꯣꯟꯕ ꯂꯤꯂꯥꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯏꯐ ꯊꯧꯅꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯂꯝꯐꯦꯜ ꯁꯨꯄꯔꯃꯥꯔꯀꯦꯠꯇ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯁꯪꯀꯔ ꯁꯤꯅꯦꯃꯥ ꯍꯣꯜꯗ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯎ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯊꯥꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ
ꯆꯥꯛꯊꯦꯛꯄꯤ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯈꯪꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯍꯥꯔꯣꯜ ꯈꯣꯡꯊꯥꯡ ꯑꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁ ꯑꯦꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯂꯤꯂꯥ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨꯅ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯒꯗꯕ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯡ ꯀꯨꯝꯍꯩ ꯍꯨ ꯄꯣꯂꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯏꯐ ꯊꯧꯅꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯨ ꯄꯣꯂꯥꯡ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯤꯂꯥ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯏꯐ ꯊꯧꯅꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯂꯝꯐꯦꯜ ꯁꯨꯄꯔꯃꯥꯔꯀꯦꯠꯇ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯁꯪꯀꯔ ꯁꯤꯅꯦꯃꯥ ꯍꯣꯜꯗ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯨ ꯄꯣꯂꯥꯡ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯡ ꯀꯨꯝꯍꯩ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯏ ꯀꯥꯕ ꯅꯤꯁꯥ ꯃꯔꯨ ꯐꯪꯅ ꯃꯨꯠꯊꯠꯅꯕ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝꯗ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯋꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯟ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯁꯇ ꯌꯨꯝꯐꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯂꯤꯂꯥ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯂꯤꯂꯥ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯔꯟꯖꯤꯠ ꯑꯌꯦꯛꯄꯝꯅ ꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯝꯖꯤꯡ ꯂꯝꯇꯥꯛꯀꯗꯕꯅ ꯑꯔꯥꯄꯇꯤ ꯖꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯇꯦꯡꯕꯥꯡꯗ ꯗꯥꯀꯦꯁꯣꯔꯅꯤ ꯂꯤꯂꯥ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ KH ꯗꯥꯀꯦꯁꯣꯔ ꯑꯔꯥꯄꯇꯤ ꯖꯣꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯌꯥꯝꯆꯥꯟ TH ꯍꯦनꯔꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯅ ꯑꯦꯔꯣꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯟ ꯗꯣꯜꯃꯥꯏ ꯕꯤꯗ꯭ꯌꯥꯁꯥꯒꯔ ꯃꯣꯇꯤ ꯍꯩꯉꯥꯡ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯁꯨꯔꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯣꯅ ꯁꯛꯇꯝ ꯂꯥꯡꯂꯤ
ꯑꯩꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯕꯗ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯖꯕꯗ ꯑꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯕ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯑꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯃꯈꯩ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯂꯤꯂꯥꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕ ꯁꯪꯁꯊꯥꯟꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯦꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯁꯟꯒꯨꯝꯕꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯄ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯉꯝꯒꯟꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯡ ꯂꯤꯂꯥꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯗꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯟꯖꯔꯨꯕꯗꯗꯤ ꯌꯨꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯔꯛꯄ ꯆꯠꯂꯤ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯃꯤ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯀꯣꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯆꯥꯎꯔꯛꯄ ꯆꯠꯂ
ꯂꯤꯂꯥ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯁꯣꯏ ꯑꯉꯥꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯅ ꯈꯨꯔꯧ ꯆꯀ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯊꯥꯡꯗꯅ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯅꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯃꯃꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯎꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯤ ꯃꯊꯪꯗ ꯄꯨꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯄꯥꯎ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯆꯦ ꯊꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯤꯡꯊꯣꯟꯕ ꯏꯔꯝꯗꯝ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯑꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁ ꯑꯦꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯁꯟ ꯏꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯅꯧꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯀꯗꯕ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯡ ꯀꯨꯝꯍꯩꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯏꯐ ꯊꯧꯅꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯏꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟꯠ ꯕꯤꯅꯦꯇꯥ ꯆꯟꯗ꯭ꯔ ꯁꯔꯃꯒꯤ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯍꯃꯄꯨꯔ ꯅꯍꯥꯕꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯎ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡ ꯊꯝꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ
इरमदम मणिपुर आर्टिस्ट एसोसिएशन इमागी नौना पुथोकदब सुमांग कुमई चेथोय हाइन मिंगथोनबा लीलागी याइफथौनी थौरम पांगथोखरे चेथोय हाइरिब लीलागी याइफथौनी थौरम अदु इमागी प्रेसिडेंट बी नेत्र चंद्र शर्मागी ब्रह्मपुर नहाबम बामोल लैकाइदा लैबे युमदा पांगथोखिबनी लीला असि मचिल मौपागी ओइबा नुंगसिनबगी मरी अमदि इमुंग मनुंगी वारीदा युमफम ओइबा लीला अमनी चेथोय हाइरिब लीला असि ओक्रम कुंजोने इबनी अदुगा लमजिंग लमताक पिगदबना गित चंद्र चोंगथाम अमदि तेंगबांगदा खेकमन देवानी
Assistant Professor, Manipur University of Culture, Haingali Tana.
Kritik lakpamda magka korot turi nidra. Sama turi ni mangada. Ado Krishna yaura lore Krishna gi sakka.
Bajana mai pakaren khali imag.
चेथोय हाइरिबा शुमांग कुमई असी खरौ थांग अमत्ता याउदना माई पाकना मियामदा खदोल तंबा ngambu ओइबियु हाइबा वाफम ममी अपाउगी माइकेदगी थंगजरी मताक स्वाइदा यामना तेमा ब्रेक अमतंग लौजगे खोंगले यांग हंजरके इंपैक्ट टीबू मियंग तादना लेबियु Welcome back. Adom yung tabiriba asi Impact TV da sandokchariba Mami Mapao ge marifutaraga taretlak suba episode ni break ke matungda puzerekliba Mapao asina. Manipur ge puwari ga sagona duna layrakleba tongan art form kyabu yokhatpada natna haurakliba artist amadi naha singda khanghanbagi pandamda numit marini ge oiba Festival of Narrative Art in Manipur haiba thauram ama iboyama shumangla sanglenda chathariba Kunga nipan rak suba moirang parbada yumfam oiba tha amagi training thauramgi manung channa chathikibagi Mapao asi mayam punna mieng taminasi
Numit tarani Jobna Eastern Students Club Nomaibungi Multipurpose Hall da chatharakiba workshop prediction of Khongjom Parva loisin crate Numit tarani gi oiva Khongjom Parva gi workshop prediction gi thauram adu maruoina lamdam asigi puwari amadi chatna lonchat ka sagona duna laklaba art form singi manungda ama oiba Khongjom Parva bu haurakliba naha singda khanghan naba amadi nongmagi oina mangsalakliba art form asibu kalhauna bagi pandamda kanglai sheishaklon singdam sang KSS na sinduna chathakivani sakna irava Khongjom Parva seishakpi amadi Manipur University of Culture gi guest faculty shu oirivi Kumantam Sundari na Khongjom Parva gi matangda wafam kayasu thamki
hosiki matam masida tapna sumami sabharagni adubu seishakloi amma oina hingjaribi aina mapan phanigai matamda sa sebok kaya puthokjai utkiba yadene haidana aina semgajai numit tarani sukna satharakliba 10 days workshop kam production of Khongjom Parva haiba sigi closing asida sapigadaba artist laibire
Aikhogi mangsilakliba tongan ba makhagi oiba art form kya asibu yokhatnabagi pandamda Manipur Shumanglila Council amadi Theatre Mirror Imphal anina asigumlaba Festival of Narrative Art in Manipur haiba thoram pangthorakpa asi thakatningani lamdam asigi puwari amadi chatna lonchat ka sagona duna laklaba art form singi manungda ama oiba Khongjom Parva yumfam oiba Nimitarani gi workshop kam production gi thauram kanglei saisaklon sindam sangna sinduna chatharakibagi Mapao amuk mayam punna mieng taminasi
Numit marini chupna chatharakiba Festival of Narrative Art Forms in Manipur loisin crate Festival adu Manipur State Sumanglila Council amadi Theatre Mirror Imphal anina punna kusam na duna iboyama Sumanglila sanglenda chatharakliba kungani panrak suba moirang parva de yumfam oiba tha amagi training manung channa chathakivani JN Manipur Dance Academy gi director P Bilas na fongdorakpagi matung ina hauziki matamda miyam na kaunaraklaba Manipur gi tongan ba art form kaya asibu kalhoudaba yadi haibagi wakhalon ga loinana haugalakliba artist amadi naha singda art form sing asibu khanghanabagi pandamda Festival of Narrative Arts Form in Manipur asi sinduna pangthokpani haiki festival asigi manung channa pena famsa Khongjom Parva Lairik haiba thiba Mahabharat wari liba mitei puya wari liba na chingba kaya chathaki
lai harauba kun gi kaya ama tawi ras ki hoigi stage performance hoina kaya utpada mapan gi lamda na sankritan gi pung solong gi dhon solong gi to thang ta gi hairi singsi masa gi kharaga hingna chatliba adugumba art form amadi oiri
training ase koi lecture ani sahi supo oijarani Manipur University of Culture da MA tamba yana na syllabus ta madu to
Parang the process harawin. No ya inang busaw na yok pati siyem ki sila siya uwi be karangang uwi de be karangang. Siyem ki bungo nong yay. Siyem na piba thawjala do nong yay nang na pamli boy. Pangal Sole Viniki Masani, Pilot Vini Pang Panga Vinaba. No Balatkar Sizin of Yaro, Henson saying Anga Yaro go.
Unijaya Chodolete.
Iguruvia, Samuni Devan Lingo, Tambiram Ladabama Palay, Hedabama, Harwood. Sanag Tambalgi Masawi Haraba.
Manipur ki puwari amadi chatna lonchat ka sagona duna laklaba art form ama oriba khongjom parbabu tungni yumbiro na khanghoduna asigumba workshop kam production of khongjom parbagi thoram pangthokliba si afaba khongthangni makata nasu tongan tongaba Manipur gi arib art form kya gi matangda pangthok pirak po oisanu haina mami pau gi maike degi thamjai Sangit Natak Academy New Delhi gi meeting makhada repertory wari liba Manipurna Sri Sri Radha Madhav Satsanga Lupka Punna Kutsamnaduna Numit Mangani gi oiba wari liba festival pangthokibagi Mapao umuk meeting taminasi
Repertory of Wari Liba Manipur na Stintuna Wahengbam Laikai Radha Madhav Mandap the Chatharakiva Numit Mangani gi oiba Wari Liba Festival Loishan Kray Festival adu Sangit Natak Academy New Delhi gi meeting makata repertory of Wari Liba Manipur na Sri Sri Radha Madhav Satsanga Lupka Punna Kusamnaduna Pangthokivani Numit Mangani Chupna Chatharakiva Festival aduda stat asigi tongan ba district mangadagi lakpa Wari Liba artist tarana saruk yaki Art and Culture Department Government of Manipur gi Director Laurembam Kishore Sitna Wari Liba Haiba art form asiki asengba masak manghandana matamga chunaba mawongda haurakliba mirol singnasu pamgadaba mawongda karamna changsinba yagadagi haiba asida khanabagi tangai fadaba leire haina fongdoki
Mariba amada aina mawongda pakaroro pilba Mariba dutta kuin kan torkoda manati manati kamada Mariba haiba se babo yakragadi Mariba gi kanadi na art forms si maruina narrative art forms si Mariba du karapagi babo yakragadi yaro da ponina babo ki mentality babo ki psyche asi modernity lakbi matuna tama hunai bunina hunai bas chana bo mawda koina kamaina
Abhigani prasantaye Sri Krishnayo Vasudevayo Devaki Narayanam Namaskritam Naran Chaivo Nari Ahalada Sri Radha Govindagi
Haujiki mirol na kaunaraklaba wari liba fangna bahaiga su khangnariba wari liba gi festival sinduna haurakliba artist sing amari naha singda khanghanaba asiguma festival pangthokliba asibu mami pau gi maike degi thagat perform dokchari episode asigi aroiba pau oina thamjariba sina breaking the barriers haiduna notice state sing artist sing exchange tongna Sister State Sing Asida Peace Amari Unity Purak Nabagi Pandamda Rock Concert Pangthok Hibagaloinana Hariba Numit Asida The Ace na Rock Concert Amasinduna Fundraising Event Amasu Pangthok Hibagi Mapao Asi Miyang Punna Miyang Taminasi
Mami Pao Bumidang Tabiriba Pumna Mapu Tenzing Pukambam na Ikong no Kurunziri Ngasi ako'y na Lazariba Mapam asi The House Cafe dani aduga pangthok sariba event asina The Black Sessions The Black Connection amadi Black Creativity sing na punjalaga North East lairiba artist amadi band mayam asibu exchange program amakaki event amani North East lairiba ako'y Nagaland dagi artist mayam asibu puraktuna ako'y Manipur asida perform tawhanduna exchange program amakaki adugumba event amakangni matung tarakpada makoyna thambirakpada atopa North East ki oiba Mizoram amadi Meghalaya gi artist sing su purakani na adumna thambi adunga sigi Nagaland gi artist sing subu thingna jaduna akoyna makoydagi wari watai sanazaraga kari wakhalon lebigi habdu mayam punna yengminasi aduga akoygi event asi su mayam punna bideng taminasi
North East State Singi Artist Sing Accents Totuna Sister State Sing the Peace and Unity Promote Tonabaki Pandam the Breaking the Barriers Pangthokre Ahanba Artist Accents Asi Manipur Amati Nagaland gi manung the Chathakibani Hariba concert Asi Imphal gi The House Cafe and Wang Media July 13 amasung July 19 da Pangthokibani Nagaland gi Coco Savino Suzendi Amadi Warrett na perform tauki
ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯍꯟꯖꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯥꯒꯥꯂꯦꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯑꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁꯠ ꯑꯍꯨꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯃꯦꯅꯦꯖ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯦꯅꯦꯖꯔ ꯃꯤꯁ ꯃꯥꯔꯖꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯦ. So Marjo, how are you and how do you feel like coming here in Imphal?
I'm doing pretty well. It was quite a journey, but then as soon as we got here, like we absolutely fell in love with Manipur.
Is this your first time coming to Manipur?
Oh no, actually it's my second. I was here just last March, so like yeah, I really like the place.
So how come such a young like girl from Nagaland being a manager, managing all the how many bands? 3 bands, right?
I manage like 4 artists.
4 artists.
So actually these artists are under Black Creatives, and then I am their official artist manager. So under Black Creatives we have 4 artists, and that's who I manage.
Okay. So how come from such a young age? How did you start this journey?
I think music has just been a very big part of my life. I mean, like singing, and I just had to come to a point where I realized, okay, maybe I can't be a performer or an artist, but I understand music up to a certain limit, up to a certain degree. So like, in that sense, like, I don't know, just one thing fell like just kept rolling and rolling, and then I landed. Yeah.
So, what do you feel about this event, the exchange program of the Northeast from Manipur and Nagaland?
Oh, I mean, for us, it was like a really good opportunity. Like, as talented as my artists are, they're also like relatively very new to the scene. So, like, bringing them from Nagaland to here, exposing them to the Manipur crowd, just it's a really good opportunity for us. So, like, and also in terms of you know, I mean, we all know music plays a very big part in everybody's lives. Like, so in that sense, we wanted to bring that factor in and also spread some sort of awareness in terms of mental health, because we use music to cope with everything that's going on in our lives.
Akhoi hojik ngasigi main event the Black Sessions asigi manager adu the Black Connections akhoi artist amadi band mayam abu manage to biriba akhoi gi Alan Robertson agi sida leijare aduna ngasi Black Sessions ki matang je sida keno lake ngasigi event sigi matang kita highlight to
ngasigi event je actually this like I have promised in during Yaosheng event, I promised you that there would be an artist exchange event for the entire Northeast. So it's all about to exchange our music and culture within the northeastern states of India. So this is the first edition of this kind of event where Nagaland art is being hosted in Imphal by the House Cafe, and the event is exclusively curated by the Black Connection Talent, which is a artist management agency from Manipur in collaboration with Black Creatives, which is from Nagaland. So has this word called Black. So we have named this event as Black Session. Otherwise, it's an exclusive event about promoting other artists, bands in different states of Northeast.
The main objectives like like giving them a platform and all the things that I've heard also the objectives
Objectives say like we have in Manipur the artists ahaiba mayam leirakan exposure fangdo mayam amju leiri adagi hojikan tawriba events our band ga artist ka am repetitive so hoiba nang event amada chatpada so same artist thengna ba dungumbo hoiba adagi kanagumam ti sungpang phangdriba stage so phangdiba mayam amju le. So today we will be having 1 or 2 solo artists from Imphal city who is like very good and amazing, who needs a good platform to be actually introduced to the society as well. So we have Kenis Kuraism, who is also a classical, no, not classic rock, he is genres classic rock, so we are trying to introduce him in this band, and we are trying to look further if we could manage him as an artist as well. And then we have 3 solo artists from Nagaland, including their band along with them. There are actually 10 artists coming from Nagaland, so they will be performing their own original sets, and they will be inclusive of like two or more cover songs for the crowd. So this is like not sponsored event, it is all sponsored by the artist itself. So we are very thankful that the house is like actually hosting this event, and Wagmi Cafe is also hosting us tomorrow on 18th. So we are very much excited that we could bring this kind of unique event in Imphal city. Otherwise all the events are almost the same.
Loinena da ek nasinjuna a fundraising event oina concert chathakre. Concert adu Thangal Bazaar ki da actor July 13 ta chathakivani. Concert adu da mi watching Euphonious Chasing Proximana perform tauki.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯚꯦꯟ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗ ꯑꯦꯖꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯟꯁꯔ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯕ ꯏꯚꯦꯟꯅꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯕꯦꯟ ꯌꯨꯐꯣꯅꯤꯌꯁꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯒꯤꯇꯥꯔ ꯈꯣꯡꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯄꯤꯌꯥꯅꯟꯗ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯕꯕꯥꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯤꯚꯔ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯣꯅ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔꯅ ꯈꯨꯗꯛꯇ ꯁꯗꯟꯂꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯄꯥꯛ ꯂꯥꯎꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯇꯧꯕꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯂꯤꯚꯔ ꯁꯤꯔꯣꯁꯤꯁ ꯇꯥꯕꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯆꯍꯤ 4ꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯄꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁꯗꯟꯂꯤ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔꯅ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯤꯚꯔ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯣꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯄꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯚꯦꯟ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯕꯅꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯗ ꯑꯦꯖꯅ ꯍꯔꯥꯎ ꯌꯥꯕꯤꯔꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯨ ꯂꯥꯎ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯁꯤꯜꯂꯨ ꯂꯥꯎ ꯈꯣꯠꯂꯨ ꯂꯥꯎ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯟꯁꯔ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯛꯄꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯁꯨ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯄ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯏꯚꯦꯟ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯈꯣꯡꯃꯤꯟꯅꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯕꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯁꯦꯖꯤꯡ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯛꯁꯤꯃꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯤ ꯋꯥꯛꯆꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯌꯨꯐꯣꯅꯤꯌꯁ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯕꯦꯟꯁꯤꯒ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯣꯡꯃꯤꯟꯅꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯚꯦꯟ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯟ ꯔꯦꯖꯤꯡ ꯏꯚꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯕꯕꯥꯒꯤ ꯆꯪꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯚꯦꯟ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯈꯔꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯕ ꯉꯝꯅꯅꯕꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯃꯈꯩ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯋꯥꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯔꯒ ꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯖꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯕꯅꯤ
Breaking the Barriersꯀꯤ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯏꯚꯦꯟꯇ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯅꯥꯒꯥꯂꯦꯟ ꯑꯅꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯆꯦꯟꯖ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯄꯤꯁ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯅꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯏꯐ ꯃꯪꯒꯣꯜ ꯃꯃꯤ ꯄꯥꯎꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯤ. And that's all we have in this episode. Mathang episode another pau kyaga loina na mulak chige. Until then, keep watching Impact TV. Bye bye.